Alright everyone, in today's video I want to show you another way to unlock the pattern lock on your screen. This time I'm going to teach you how to unlock the pattern or pin on your Samsung A25. Remove your SIM card and your memory card because this procedure will erase everything stored on the device's memory. In a moment I'll talk about the Google account in case you need it and how you can remove it. Alright, so let's get started. In some cases you'll need to connect the USB cable to your computer, but you don't need to download any programs, files or anything like that. You can try it out with or without the cable to see which way works for you, okay? On this screen we're going to press, or rather let's leave it here on the emergency screen. You're going to press the volume down button and the power button together at the same time. When it restarts, you release the volume down and press the volume up, okay? Let's wait. Just a few more seconds. Release the volume down, press the volume up. When the Samsung logo appears on the screen, release the power button but keep holding the volume up button. It's not when it flashes, it's when the name appears like this and stays on the screen. Then you release the power button and keep holding the volume up button until it enters this mode here, which is recovery mode. I want to give you one more tip here. You can also try this procedure on other models, it might work as well, okay? On this screen we're going to go down by pressing the volume down button until the fifth option, where it says keep data factory reset and confirm with the power button. On this next screen, go down with the volume down button and confirm again. Let's wait for this process to finish so we can continue. When you get to this screen, just confirm. Here your device is already being unlocked, either the screen lock password or the PIN, okay? You just need to set it up normally and you'll have access to your device again. If you need to unlock your Google account, we can also do that for you from anywhere, even remotely. You'll just need a computer, a USB cable, and the AnyDesk program that we use. If you don't have the program, we can send it to you as well. Our number will be in the description or in the channel description, so you can contact us and check the price for unlocking your device, okay? If this video helped you, and if you can, within your means, make a contribution to our channel, our pics will be in the video description. It doesn't matter how much you give, what's important is your help, your support, your gratitude. I hope I was able to help you. That was today's video. Thanks, take care.